Welcome to Lakshmi's recipe. Press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for more recipes from my channel. So today was my sister's birthday, 25 June. So I had made this unicorn cake for my sister and she loved it very much. I will show you how I made the unicorn cake without fondant. So this is the basic butterscotch sponge. If you want the recipe, you can check out my previous video for this recipe. Otherwise I will give you the link in I button of that recipe, or also you can make the simple vanilla sponge from maida or premix, or I will give you the link of the recipe in the description box. So let's see how we made the unicorn cake without fondant. So this is my cake. Now I am going to demold it. So now we will put the cake here, this tab. So this is our cake. It's baked very nicely. So now we will cut it in 3 layers, and I will also remove the butter paper, and after that we will do the icing of the cake. So now I am going to soak the cake with sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is made with the sugar and water. So you can check my recipe of sugar syrup. I will give you the link in the I button, and also of the whipping cream, how to whip cream and how to make neutral gel. That video, so I will give you the link in description box and I button. I'm going to put the sugar syrup in the cake. So I have filled the whipping cream in the piping bag like this, and now I am going to cover. I'm going to cover the cake. I am going to fill it properly. If you are the beginner, you should try these steps by piping the cream with. So now I am going to put the butterscotch crush in the cake. I am just going to add 2 tablespoons. We are putting the crush because of taste. After putting the crush, it tastes very nice. So I am going to repeat this. I am going to repeat this only and in the second layer of the cake. So I will just complete and see you. Made the cream, that is a spring cream, it is blue cream, and that's yellow cream I'm going to use in the unicorn cake. And again I am going to make green cream, and now we will decorate the cake. So let's see how we are decorating the cake. So this is, I have filled the cream. Now I am going to make the design in the cake. So this is the N1 Noor nozzle. I am going to make the unicorn shape here. You can see how nicely it is coming. And after making here, I am going to make this side. So now I am going to take yellow color cream and I am going to make some small flowers. So here also I am going to make some flowers. So now I am taking blue cream and going to put dot dot here, and let's continue the cake decoration like this. So let's see you after the full decoration of our cake. So this is our final cake. So now I am going to make the horn of unicorn and the ears of unicorn. So for that we'll need the ice cream cones. These are the ice cream cones. This we will need. So now we will make it. I have this ice cream cone. So I am going to cut the ice cream cone up till it, because it's too much big. That's why I am going to cut it with scissor. So let's cut it slowly like this. I am going to cut it. So let's cut it. So this is our cone cutted properly. So now I am going to put the cream inside, and I don't have golden color, so my sister was saying that Didi use that pink color, so I am going to use pink color for spraying unicorn horn, and I will some highlight with some red color also. So let's do it. So first of all I am going to make the cream. So this is the cone and this is the whipping cream. I have taken this nozzle. So now I am going to make the design with this nozzle. So I am going to hold it here and I am going to make design slowly. So I have done with this and I have painted it pink color. So I am going to keep it upside now. So I am going to keep. So now I am going to keep it in middle of the cake. So I have kept it and this part is left. I am also, so I have kept it, the upper side part is left. I am also going to do it. So this is the second for making the ears of the unicorn. So I have marked here and up till I am going to cut it properly with the knife. If you are small children, please do not do this practice at home. I have made it properly and I am going to cut it in the ear shape. So this some triangle shape from here I am going to cut like this. So I am going to cut it. So this is also done. So I am going to take the white cream and going to spread it here properly. Like this. So I will show you. So I am making breaking it with a knife only.
बंद करो.
Okay. So this is done very properly, and I'm going to spray pink color here also. And this is ready. After making the cake, our cake is looking like this. It's my first time, so that's why it's happened like this. So now I am going to keep the pearls in it. So I am going to put this small silver pearls I am going to use. So in big flowers I am going to keep the big pearls.